Let's do this. Got my game face on.
Okay, everyone. Hi, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with another live interview. I just want to say thanks to everyone who can hop on. We are going to be interviewing Kevin today, who's been a part of our team now for, has it been over a month yet, Kevin?
No, it's been about 3 weeks, so a little over
Three,
3 weeks.
a little over 3 weeks, okay. And what he's going to do is just give you some information about how he's been doing with the program, why he decided to join SSM. For those that don't know, my name is Amanda Ray. I am the creator of Successful Solution Method. And what we do is we teach people how to earn while they learn how to build a successful online business. And the reason why we came up with this approach is because so many people are failing within the online industry. They're having a hard time just understanding what to do, why they do a lot of the things that they do, and how to actually start generating consistent results online. So Kevin is going to share with you his story, his journey. Kevin, thanks so much for coming out today. I'm grateful and honored to have you here with us, for taking the time to be here with us. If you could
Yes.
just share a little bit of background about yourself and how long you've been in online space.
Okay. Hello, everybody. Kevin Osworthy here. I've been online since I want to say since 2016, and to be honest, it's been like an uphill battle. I've been struggling for a long time. I made a little bit of money here and there, but not the amount of money that I wanted to make in order to change my life. So I I mean, God answered my prayer because I've been looking for Amanda Ray for a very long time. Because guys, let me tell you what, Amanda is a wonderful person, and the way she teaches relates to me. Because honestly, she breaks the marketing game down, dissects it, so that way you understand everything she teaches you step by step, and you don't get confused. And I think that's one of the main problems in the online space today. A lot of people, who are new, they come on and they buy these courses, and it's just a lot of confusion. So they get lost and they quit. Now, my experience with SSM, again, I've been in SSM for about 3 weeks, and so far I've been doing fabulous. I mean, honestly, it's like God answered my prayers. I always thank Amanda Ray for her support, her guidance. And guys, let me tell you what, it's not even about Amanda Ray. It's all about the group. We all support each other. There's three success coaches. So if you get lost, if you get confused anywhere, all you got to do is reach out to the coaches, and they're there to support you, to answer all your questions. And we also have a chat group, and it's phenomenal. And then every Wednesdays, and we have the webinars, and Thursdays we have trainings, guys. And again, the way Amanda teaches, it's I'm telling you, I've bought dozens, thousands of courses. I've lost thousands of dollars. Why? Because the mentors didn't teach in a way that you know, uh, it was understandable for someone new. But again, Amanda dissects every aspect of marketing, and it's literally step by step. You do this, then you're going to do that, and then you do this. There's no confusion, is what I'm really trying to say. So Amanda's been a blessing to me, and she's been a blessing to many of the other members inside the group, because we're all having success. We're all getting our breakthroughs, and it's a great feeling. So it's a really great feeling. So I
Thank you
can't
so
thank
much.
Amanda enough. I really can't thank her enough.
Thank you. So the next question I have for you is, when you started, which is 3.5 weeks ago, how quickly did you start earning, and why do you think that happened? As far as how often did you start to see results based off of the training? And not
Yes.
only that, how quickly were you paid from the time that you joined SSM?
Guys, this is unreal. From the time that I joined SSM, I've earned $450 in 10 days, guys. 10 days. Now, the average person doesn't make $450 in 10 days. It doesn't happen. But again, with the training that Amanda, she basically holds your hand the whole way. This is why I'm telling you people, it's a blessing. SSM is a blessing. And Amanda Ray, she's going to be legendary because there's no one else out there that's doing what she's doing. So again, yeah, it took me about 10 days before I started seeing, before I got paid. And all thanks to your step-by-step training. I mean, literally, a child can follow everything Amanda says to do and get results, and that is the difference. That is the game changer. Because I bought a lot of courses. I spent a lot of money, and I don't have any regrets. But the way their teaching style didn't relate to me. But the way Amanda teaches, it's like, oh my God, light bulbs go off. Now I feel, such a good feeling. Such a good feeling.
And you know what? It's so funny that you said that, Kevin, because a lot of people are saying that about this opportunity, the game-changing moment, the game changer. Yes. And what it is that, like, right before when you joined, when you first got onto the scene, we were talking about branding yourself, and yes. I was telling you one of the things that that you were doing wrong, which yes. you learned from another company yes. that charges thousands of dollars to get into, because yes. I know of that company.
Yes.
They teach you to brand them.
Yes.
And you're not branding yourself, yes. right?
Right.
And that's one of the things that we had a discussion about, because a lot of people don't understand how important it is to brand yourself, because people join people don't join opportunities, right?
Yes, exactly.
So I just remember going through that whole conversation, that whole dialogue, and for you, it was easy for you to understand, mainly because you are teachable. You was ready to be a student. Yes. A lot of people, they come into opportunities and they think they know everything, or they bring with them what they heard or understand from another company, but it's not getting them results.
Exactly.
And the reason why is because a lot of people are taught to brand the company.
Yes.
Put the company's picture on your thing, shout the company out on your post, do this with the company, and sometimes that will make you a little bit of money, but is it going to make you consistent money? Are you going to get consistent results with that? Are you going to earn the big dollars that the top marketing gurus earn? No. So what I like about just being not only the creator, but also the teacher within SSM is that we allow people to understand in black and white. Yes. A lot of people have a lot of gray areas with marketing, how to run a business, how to be successful online. And it's mainly because they aren't seeing things in black and white. Exactly. There's so many gray areas, but not only that, a lot of people are doing things online and don't even know why they're doing them. They're just doing it.
Yes, just to do it.
When you're doing things and you don't know why you're doing it, that's the reason why you're not getting results, because a lot of things that people are doing are not considered income producing activities. Okay. And in order to be successful online, you have to have a blueprint. It has to be based off of income producing activities that you do day in and day out. And that's what we basically teach. The reason why people are getting results so fast is because when you move and you collab with other like-minded people, it just allows you to move faster than if you're doing things alone. Okay, we all have the same vision. We're all moving as one. We all do the same things, right?
Right.
And that allows for people to not be left behind. So, Kevin, if you can just share some of the experiences that you had in the past with different opportunities, like how many years have you been in the online space?
Yeah, I've been in the online space since 2015 or 2016. I think it's 2015.
Okay, so about 4 or 5 years.
Yeah, about 4 or 5 years. And let me tell you what, the sponsors, I'm not going to say the creators of the group, is the sponsors, the people who bring you in. Once they get your money, they disappear, because you got to remember, when you're brand new, it's not good to rely on somebody. You got to have the motivation, but at least you need a little bit of a guidance. So if you're making you're putting your best foot forward, you're making the effort, and then you get stuck somewhere, you need that little support. Like, hey, what do I do with that? It was always that. It was just that, okay, I take your money and then disappear, and that was one of the main things why I failed. But you know what? That didn't stop me. I said, this is my calling. This is what I want to do. I'm passionate about affiliate marketing. So I continued my venture. And honestly, I must have spent up to about, I want to say, 15,000 on different courses, just trying to make it, just trying to do it.
Yeah.
And I would pray every day to God. I'm like, no, this is what I want to do. If you can just, you give me a sign. And it just so happened that I saw a post by Daryl, Daryl, one of the other members, and it just clicked with me, the way he was talking, and I was like, man, I think this is it. And I'm so thankful, Daryl. So I went through his link, I signed up, I saw the sales page, and I was it. And I never turned back. And since then, I feel like an accomplished marketer, because a lot of these marketers, I want to say, they don't tell you everything. They keep certain things to themselves. But what you, Amanda, you're revealing all of your knowledge, and you're giving us all your secrets and everything that you learned over the years, and you're sharing it with us, willingly. It's not even like you're asking for a lot. So again, it's a blessing. It's a blessing. Anybody who sees this opportunity, you got to jump aboard. And the thing about it, we're not even that far in. Maybe about 3 months. Still a brand new.
Yep, 2.5 months now.
2.5 months, and we're growing. We're growing each and every day. So I'm blessed. I'm blessed. Thanks again, Amanda.
Yeah. Thank you too, Kevin. I appreciate that. And one of the things that I love about this is that when people are starting their daily task, because this is task driven, it's not just you have to get people to sign up to earn. We are completing tasks.
Exactly.
It's nothing like, and I think that's also when I had my light bulb moment back in 2015 after struggling for so long. In 2016, what was the game changer for me is knowing exactly what to do day in and day out.
Yes.
Okay. I remember in 2015, I didn't know what to do. I was all over the place. I was on Instagram, Facebook, I was on Snapchat. I was everywhere. I was buying traffic. Traffic wasn't converting. I was spending hundreds of thousands of dollars and I was getting nowhere. And what I realized is that I really didn't understand what to do. And I didn't understand why I was doing some of the things that I was doing because it wasn't bringing in money. So then I said, you know what? I'm going to start posting to Facebook groups. And that brought me in a little bit of money, but I was literally on the computer for 10 to 12 hours a day, spamming, sending out my information to different Facebook groups. And I would be lucky if I get one sign up for the day.
Right.
So what I wanted to do is I said, you know what? I don't want to feel like a salesy person. I don't want to do that. If I'm going to do that, I might as well go work at a car dealership, right? I don't want to have to chase people. I don't want to have to convince people. Right. I don't want to have these long drawn out conversations with people to have them join the opportunity. I want people to just come to me. And there has to be a better way of doing this, right? So now what I love about SSM is that the way that we operate allows people to come to us and want to know what we're doing. Yes. But not only that, it's set up in a way where it's easy enough for the average person to understand and make a decision as quickly as possible, right?
Yes.
So instead of waiting 6 months or a year or 2 years to have a breaking point where you actually start seeing money flow in, it's happening sooner. Why? Because everyone that comes in knows exactly what they need to do day in and day out. They know how long it's going to take. And they know that if they apply what they learn, it's easy enough, right?
Right.
So it's so funny because I have so many people, they go like, Amanda, gosh, this is like too good to be true.
Yeah.
And I'm like, you know what? I thought that back in 2016 when I first started. Because I was like, you know what? Is this going to be where I have results for the next 3 months? And then after that, everything just kind of falls apart. But you know what? It just gets better with time.
Yes.
Because what we're creating is a snowball effect where people will remember you because of the way you're operating business. And that's what we want to do. Yes. We want to make it memorable. And not only that, we want something that's easy enough for any average person to duplicate.
Yes.
We're not saying you're going to get rich quick. It's going to be an overnight success. It is a work in progress. But what makes it unique is that you're able to earn as you apply the task that's given.
Yes.
And that's what's amazing about this opportunity.
Yes.
So what I want to do is basically just ask you one more question, and then we're going to kind of move along.
Okay.
What I wanted to know from you is, oh, let's talk about how much you've made so far with the opportunity.
Yes.
And what your goal and game plan is moving along with SSM over the next 6 months or so.
Yeah. So far in under 3 weeks, a little over 3 weeks, I've made $900. And I find that to be amazing because I've never made that much so quickly. And yeah, my plans with SSM, I'm here for the long haul. You know, like we all know, Rome isn't built in a day. You know, it takes time, but as long as you stay coachable and you listen to everything, you know, the mentor has to say, you know, you will succeed.
And stay consistent. We
And
talk
stay
about that a
consistent.
lot.
Yes.
Consistency is key.
Yes.
Most people do not last within an opportunity
Yes.
over 30 days, right?
Yes.
30 days is normally the max for the average person to stay in an opportunity before they start looking around at something else.
Yes.
So we go over this in our trainings, mindset, black and white. I tell live stories, right? Real stories that are relatable, right?
Yes.
But not only that, we go through step by step on what you need to do every single day.
Yes.
So if you can leave, what I want to do, Kevin, again, just say thank you for having this.
I just wanted to say one more thing.
Sure.
Just want to say one more thing. This is very important. And one of the other reasons why so many people quit, you know, so quickly is because they don't see instant results. So with Amanda's program, you know, you do get results quickly, but you have to put in the work. So when you see those results, it keeps you motivated to keep going. You're like, man, this really works. Okay, let me keep going, keep pushing. And that's one of the major differences between your program and any of the other programs is that, you know, you lay out the foundation. You can't, you know, you can lead the horse to the water, but you can't make them drink it. If they do what they got to do, they're gonna get the results. And the instant gratification, you know, automatically goes away because they're getting the results just by following your blueprint. So I wanted to add that because that's one of the main things that, you know, a lot of people when they start, they want instant results and not really, they don't understand that you have to put into work. And like you said, stay consistent. But thanks to SSM, you do what you have to do. You get the results. It keeps you motivated so you don't quit and you keep going and you just, you know, keep going up a level and you're improving every day.
That's right. That's right. And we had 200 people on our last webinar. We have webinars with SSM every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The information for the webinar will be down in the comment section. If you would like to reach out to Kevin, Kevin's going to also leave his link. You can reach out to him as well and pick his brain if you want. Join him if you want. Get more information. We also have a public Facebook group that you can get into and get more information about SSM. So I just want to say thank you, Kevin, for coming out today. I'm extremely grateful and honored to have you here with us. And I look forward to us making a ton of money and helping a ton of people this year.
Thank
so
you.
Thanks again. Thanks, guys, for tuning in with us. And you guys have a great day.
Take care.
Bye-bye, Kevin. I'll see you tomorrow.
Yep, see you tomorrow.